Welcome to a world where small spaces meet unparalleled luxury. In this video, we'll explore the art of tiny home interior design that proves elegance can thrive in even the most compact environments. Step inside, and you'll find that every inch of this home has been thoughtfully curated. From high-end finishes to smart storage solutions, luxury isn't about size. It's about style and intention. The heart of any home is the kitchen, and this tiny space does not compromise. Sleek marble countertops, brushed gold fixtures, and integrated appliances blend function with opulence, creating a seamless and sophisticated environment. In the bedroom, comfort and coziness take center stage. Plush bedding, rich textures, and carefully placed lighting create a sanctuary that invites relaxation, no matter how small the space may be. Even the bathroom embodies luxury, featuring a deep soaking tub and sleek, spa-like finishes. The use of high-end materials ensures that this tiny home doesn't sacrifice on the finer things in life. In a world where space is often a premium, tiny luxury homes redefine what's possible. With thoughtful design, premium materials, and an eye for detail, these small spaces prove that luxury comes in all sizes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more interior design inspiration.